strategy is a very easy to understand classic trend following strategy. I will share everything about the strategy like entries, take profits, stop loss, time frames and the most profitable trading pairs. So without any further late, let's begin. But before we start, let me tell you this strategy includes 3 indicators. Alright, now let's begin. First, we will add parabolic SIR indicator. Parabolic indicator can help you find potential reversals in the market. That is why we will use this indicator as it is, no settings change. And after this, we will add our second and third indicator. Okay, so now let's add our second indicator. But here we need to change its settings because its default settings is okay, but I think these new settings can give you even more accurate results in this strategy. So let's add our second indicator, RSI. After adding RSI, make sure you change its settings exactly like this. To be extra safe, we are gonna add our last indicator, momentum, and change its settings exactly like this. Alright, now we are done. Now let's talk about conditions, and then after I will also tell you where to set your take profit and stop loss for this strategy. Okay, so first, for a profitable sell trade, price must be below parabolic dot. RSI must be below 50 and the RSI line must be below this SMA line. Momentum should be below 0 level. If all conditions are met, you can go for sell. Now let's talk about buy trade. Price must be above parabolic dot, RSI must be above 50 and the RSI line must be above this SMA line. Momentum should be above 0 level. If all conditions are met, you can go for a buy. Now let's talk about take profit and stop loss, and then we will also talk about which time frames and pairs are the best for this strategy. Alright, now you can set your take profit anywhere between 14 to 20 pips and stop loss between 8 to 12 pips. Now which time frame? This strategy works best in 5 minutes chart, but you can also experiment in other time frames. And this strategy works best in major currency pairs like EUR-USD, AUD-USD, GBP-USD, etc. Okay, so now once again, let's see how the strategy works. And now that you have watched this video till end, let me tell you some bonus tips about this strategy. But before that, if you found this strategy helpful, please do like this video, and if you have any feedbacks or doubts, you can comment down below. And make sure you test this strategy in demo account first. Now the bonus tips. Don't just enter into trade as soon as the indicators move according to our conditions. Please wait till the candle close, especially for a pair like GBP-USD. It's really important, telling from own experience. So wait till the candle close. And also avoid taking a trade near supply demand and substance areas, even when indicator shows strong signals. Because remember, no one can predict market 100% accurate.